How to fulfill orders on Shopify easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to fulfill orders using Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your shopify.com and you will log into your Shopify admin. This is where you will get. In order to fulfill your order on Shopify, you will go to the order section right here. And if you have a plan and if you actually have orders on Shopify, then you will be able to fulfill them. Let me show you how to do that. You will go to your Shopify admin and go to the orders option. Click the number of an unfulfilled order. To buy a shipping label for your order, select Create Shipping Label. From the fulfillment page, change the number of product that you want to fulfill for each line item in the item section. Then you have to select the shipping method in the shipping service section. If you want to send a notification email to the customer right away, then select Send Shipment Details to your customer now. And if you do not want to do that, then you can skip this step. Then you will click on Buy Shipping Label. The order screen updates to display the order fulfilled and unfulfilled items. This way, you will be able to fulfill your order with Shopify. It's actually really easy. Once you're done, you will be able to actually see the orders you have fulfilled and the orders that you have not fulfilled yet. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.